VEX Robotics is a program where we build a robot and then we compete with other teams around the state.
VEX Robotics to me is kind of like a competitive vibe, but also connecting vibe where you have to connect with your team and everything, but you also have to build the robot and compete with it.
It is a challenging program that you can do with teammates, and you're put on a team and you go to competitions, you do programming, and it's a big challenge.
What's neat about VEX Robotics is that everybody's on the same playing field as far as the robotics components. We're only allowed to use VEX robotic parts, and it's often very cool to see the solutions that each team comes up with to earn points in the game.
Every year the game is different, which then they have to problem solve. Which mechanisms will we use? How will we design this robot? How will we program this robot? What strategies do we need to use to be a high-scoring competitive team? So VEX Robotics really is all-encompassing of teamwork, collaboration, engineering, math, as well as incorporation of the science and technology.
Yeah, you have to build it by scratch, and it's really hard, but it's a lot of fun.
We learn how to do building with different metals and bolts and nuts. You learn how to code and program. You learn how to do different things on the computer, how to do online challenges, how to drive, and how to work with the team.
We learn building skills, programming skills, really just life skills that you need to know to really live life well.
That's truly what it's all about, is that the kids are always thinking of ways to improve this thing that they've created. And it's fun often to see the ownership that each student has in the process.
I've been doing this since I was in 4th grade, and well, I've been doing IQ in 4th and 5th grade, and this year is the first for VEX, and it's a lot harder, but they're both hard, and it's a great experience for problem solving, because it's like the hardest thing I've probably had to do, because it's really challenging and everything's by scratch.
I believe there are so many different aspects that you could look at as far as the benefits. You have the academic component, the interest component. They have an opportunity to explore in building, designing, programming. They also working on strategizing. These are huge life skill components that they can pass on to any future career or any other school projects as they continue throughout their education or even into college years.
It helps us get good problem-solving skills, and it's a fun and exciting thing to do.
Well, robotics is really fun and interesting, and it definitely connects you with a bunch of different people on your team. And it's a really bonding experience, and it's super fun and enjoyable to do.
It does a lot for you because you learn a lot of it's a new experience for people, and it's very different from anything else I've ever done. And it helps with a lot of character traits, so you are working on teamwork and collaborating with other people, and it's a lot of a challenge, and it's something very new.